quick one. Man, been working today, man. Been working, man. No. Did some on the inside of there too. Then after I finished in there, had it clean. Yeah. It's coming along, man. It's coming along slow but surely, though. You heard me? She coming along. It's the tight squeeze right here, man. You feel me? Let me turn the camera for y'all. I had a roll all up there on both sides, come down. I still gotta do up in there, but you know, it's gonna take me a minute to get it. Hands big, so you know, this take time. But you see it, what hard work look like. That's what it look like right here. See the difference, man. She coming on, man.